have a go in your own time at these calculate questions, and then I'll go through the answers. Okay. These are all what I call the times table, and the center is always 1. And then anything to the power 1 doesn't change, so we can fill that one in as well. Which immediately tells us, of course, that we just need to times or divide by that number to find the numbers above and below it. Anyway, enough of that. What does minus mean? Remember, we can now ignore the 1 because we know that 1 just means you get the same number. That means turn it upside down. So 9 is like 9 over 1, so that's 1 over 9. This is like a half, same reason. And this one is already a fraction, so we just flip the fraction up the other way. I'm just going to fill in a lot of the other answers now. And I'll talk about some of them in a minute. Well, that's supposed to be a quarter. That's it. I'll talk about a couple of these. Otherwise, this is the end of this video. Notice this one here. Let me just shift it a bit. You could say, oh, well, there's a minus and there's a 2. I'll do the minus first. So I've now got 2 over 3 squared. And 2 over 3 squared is 2 over 3 times 2 over 3, which is 4 over 9. With practice, I just get used to seeing this and doing it kind of a bit shortcutty, but that's what that means. Did you get this correct? Did you get this right? I'm not quite sure what the adjective is there. Here's the thing. I really, really want you to be getting this right. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Work out a system. I mean, we've got a system here, haven't we? We've got a 2 times by 2 to make 4, times by 2 to make 8, times by 2 to make 16, times by 2 to make 32. Let's be really, really careful. Okay, see you in the next video.